nothing but a summer in the sun.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Clarendon SC, Orangeburg SC, and Calvin SC, beginning at 2:38 a.m. and ending at 3:38 a.m. The Orangeburg County Sheriff's Department is looking for a missing child. John Haynes is 11 years old. He is a black male about 5 foot tall with a slim build weighing 80 pounds. He has a low haircut and was last seen with no shirt, no shoes, and wearing black shorts. He was last seen in the area of Roosevelt Street in Elloree, South Carolina around 11 p.m. If you have seen him tonight, please contact the Orangeburg Sheriff's Department at 803-534-3550.
Somebody, baby,
Wow.